You need help? Oh! Yes!
Okay. Should we connect all the pinks together to make one big pink slime?
Sure.
Okay. That's iconic. Now we're gonna rub it around. That's so pretty. Do you see that? Can you rub it around? Rub it this way.
Oh! This is so fun, isn't it, making slime?
Yeah, slime is iconic and amazing.
Oh, it's turning green!
It looks like JoJo Siwa Christmas.
Oh,
This is the vibes I'm getting from this color.
Make sure we don't.
Oh, let me open those.
Why?
Because I'm 17 and you're 4.
Yeah.
And
Or
you
you're-
have an iPhone 7.
Nope. I have an iPhone 4.
Even if you had an iPhone 4, that would still be
Bad.
insane because you're 4 years old.
So I need a 4-year-old phone. Put this one in.
Okay, we're gonna put gold in. Woo! You opened it yourself? Okay.
Yeah. Oh!
A world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Period.
Period.
Thank you.
Yeah. Guys, should you just quit that for a minute? Should you guys quit it? Quit it.
Which one are we doing next? Turquoise?
This one?
JoJo will be proud. Would JoJo be proud, Mana?
Yes.
Oh, for sure.
JoJo, are you really proud?
Are you proud, girl?
Yes, she is.
Okay.
She is proud.
Should we do this? Should we do these little pink bows?
Aww.
Oh my gosh, they're bows!
Are they? Really?
Yeah, because she's like the
Really?
bow. She likes bows.
It looks like a little bit reminding me of stars. Not yet?
I'll mix it because this is gonna get real.
Messy.
Yeah.
JoJo Siwa, what do you think of our slime?
Yeah, JoJo. Please just review this video for us.
Yes. Please reveal it.
Okay, is this it? This is it for the video
Yep.
that we're doing?
That's not it.
This is it for the video. We can finish the rest later. There are like 7 more to go.
We have to do some more and then
How about we finish one song and then we show them our finishing product? Ready? What song are we doing? Should we do You Want to Build a Snowman? Ready, set, go. Do you want to build a snowman? Mama, we're going to finish, okay?
Oh, we're gonna finish slime?
Yes.
Oh! I think we should do this one.